Welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to use AI writing assistant in HyperOS 3 on XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro. Go to the writer. Here I have a little text. Here I click magic pencil, and here I have some buttons. For example, let's pass extension. That's it. I extended my text. Thank you for watching the video. Press like button below and subscribe. Goodbye.